Hi, I'm Rakesh. Welcome back to Pag's Parallel. In last episode, we saw how I solved the money problem and we started exploring Dubai. In this episode, we are going to see the shopping I did in Dubai. What are the things you can buy in Dubai? And at the end, we will see how to get VAT refund from the airport. So let's begin. Because of Forex card, we couldn't do shopping for first few days. We traveled a lot. As soon we decided now it's time to do shopping, we went to Meena Bazaar. So I was planning to buy a drone. If you compare the price from India, USA and Dubai, then it's much more affordable. And you'll get a different prices everywhere, not just for drone, for everything, all the electronics. So make sure to go to 2-3 shops, check the prices, compare them, and wherever you find you are getting a good offer, buy from it. Soon I will make a complete drone buying guide from Dubai with comparing the prices.
Habibi, come to Dubai.
So if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to this channel to get regular updates. What are the other things you can buy in Dubai? For buying a gold, I'll make a complete different guide about how to buy gold. How to buy gold. Now let's go to the VAT refund. Not all purchases are eligible to get VAT refund. Like if you're going to Burj Khalifa, you have the ticket. For that, you can't claim VAT. But if you're buying camera, if you're buying goods, then on that you can claim VAT refund. Also, if you're buying gold, you can claim VAT refund on it too. So I claim my refund on my drone and action camera. How to get VAT refund from the airport? To get VAT refund, you have to link your bills to your passport. At the time of paying, give your passport to them. They will link your passport with the bill. Keep the bill safe because you need to show it at the airport. They check this device. At the time of going to airport, before boarding, you have to go to the VAT refund kiosk because you have to show your things. So don't board first. Keep your bills and the items ready. When I went to show the bill and I told them like I have packed everything, they said no, we have to check the electronics, then only we can approve it. So I went back, I opened my suitcase and I took my drone and camera and I showed them this is it. And they were like, okay, they approved it. And then I packed it. So if you're paying 5% of VAT, you get around 4.2% of VAT refund. And there are two options to claim the VAT refund. One is credit card and one is cash. But it didn't make sense for me to carry cash again from Dubai to India. So I just told them like, I'm fine with the credit card. He just did something on his tablet. 2-3 days later, I got my VAT refund. In next episode, we will see the complete guide of buying gold, where to get it at affordable rate, tips and tricks, truth, like what's the actual truth about buying gold from Dubai. First hand experience we have. So if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to this channel. And if you like the information which I shared, give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and travel safe.